Sometimes the internet fails us. Now, if you're sitting at home when this happens, you usually just have to stop watching Netflix for a few hours and go read a book. I know, it sounds horrible. But if you're working at Hutchins when the internet goes down, you have to take a few extra steps to ensure that the patrons can check materials in and out. It's entirely possible that one day you may come into work, click on your little circulation shortcut, and get this error message. Now, if that happens, don't panic. The network is down. Just click OK. It's going to ask if you want to do offline charge. Click Yes. Offline charge will store all of the charges made in an offline database. So the next time that the system is online, it will upload everything. You have to manually enter the due date. Go ahead and set it for 21 days, which is the standard loan period. If an item is checked out and needs a different due date, such as 7 days or 120 days for faculty and staff, it'll automatically change that when the system comes back online. So make sure you use the correct stamps when you stamp the items. Go ahead and click OK. Now that you've set this up, let's say that a nice college student who can't watch Netflix anymore comes to check out a book. So all you have to do is go up to Charge, and we've done this already, but for some reason I'm doing it again. You go ahead and scan their barcode. And then scan the barcode of the item they wish to check out. Bam! They've checked out a book. Make sure you stamp the book and desensitize it, hand it to the patron, and they'll be on their merry way without the internet. Now, when Voyager comes back online, you have to go through a different process to make sure that all of the charges you made when it was offline are still in the system. So let's say that the internet miraculously returns. What you'll do then is close out of your Voyager window and open it again. This time it'll ask you to log in, which is exciting. And it'll tell you that there are offline transactions. Go ahead and push OK. Then you'll have to come up to the Charge Renew button on the ribbon, and then Upload Offline Capture File. This shouldn't take too long, so once the upload is complete, push OK. Now, in order to discharge, a staff member or a building manager will have to push this button on their discharge box and set the due date back to whenever the internet went down if this has persisted for more than a few days. Then they'll push OK. The discharge date will be modified, and you can start scanning in all the items off the cart. And once you've done that, then the whole ordeal is over and you can go about checking books in and out the way you're used to. So that's it for this tutorial. Hopefully the internet never fails you again while you're working, but in case it does, you're ready now.